Hey you, hi, I hope you are well. It's Nina Lemtier here, the Nutrition Lifestyle Strategist. We are on day 5 of the Fibroids Awareness A to Z live series. And I've been hopping on live for the past few days just to raise awareness around this horrid condition that still so many people, particularly us women, well, I'd never heard of the fibroids when I was diagnosed. And to find out they were non-cancerous tumours was so scary and very, very overwhelming. So it's all about making it easier for, women that maybe you've been newly diagnosed, or maybe you've got symptoms, right? And you're taking those symptoms as normal. You think your heavy bleeding is normal. You think being tired all the time is normal. You think excessive pain on your period is normal. It's not normal. So let me know where you're joining from, and if you've got any questions, I would love to try and answer them. So today is we're on day 5, so it's letter E, and I chose estrogen for today's kind of concept because estrogen is a hormone that, from what research has showed, fibroids are sensitive to. And we as women now, modern day women, we are being overwhelmed in different directions, from topical products, cleaning products. It's messing with our hormone balance, and the body is struggling to eliminate excess hormones, and particularly estrogen, and this is being recycled, right? That's the issue. So obviously we need a level of estrogen, right? But it's the fact that the body wants to eliminate what it doesn't need, and that's being recycled. So a top tip today is to incorporate a cruciferous vegetable and do it strategically throughout your day with your meals. And this is a good way to support your liver to be able to eliminate the excess hormones, the estrogen, so that it's not being recycled. And another way is to support your body with eliminating the hormone when it doesn't need it, right? Is to make sure you're moving your bowels, right? It's not okay to not move your bowels at least once a day. Once a day is the bare minimum. You should really be doing twice a day. So that's another way to support your body. So that's my top tip today. Hi Noella, hi Temi, Shay. And it's, we really just need to know how we can support our body, obviously whilst under the care of our gynecologists and doctors. And if you're being told there's nothing you can do about it, just wait for the surgery, or just wait for the strong medication to kick in, I would counteract that. There's lots you can do to support your body and just get you learning more about your body and how you can not only reduce your symptoms, but significantly impact future trauma, right? Future surgical interventions and impact that might have on your fertility if having children is important to you. It's something you need to be mindful of. So thanks for joining. I'll see you tomorrow. And just to let you know, we've actually got a womb reset challenge starting tomorrow. It's about really resetting and understanding how to hydrate strategically, not just drinking more water, but actually what types of water should you be having throughout the day, based on how you eat, based on your lifestyle, your work pattern, whether you are quite active when you work or you have quite a sedentary work pattern. It all makes a difference. So the more aware you are of what you can do, the better. So we're kicking off tomorrow. It's absolutely free. If you're interested, drop me a message. Just send me the word free, and I know what you are talking about, and then I'll send you a link to sign up. We're getting such great feedback on my Nourish Her app, which is an app to give you complete personalized structure on how to eat, right? What to do in the run up to your surgery date, if you've got a surgery date in place. I just want to put the link here now, and I'm just going to put it as free. And it basically tailors everything to your needs, because it's not a one stroke fits all approach. And I also get to give you guidance. You can upload necessary documents. We can help you prepare before appointments, make sure you've got the right data to make sure you get the right referrals, so you don't have to be fobbed off and messed around. So we really are helping women feel more empowered and equipped, and we're so excited about the feedback we're getting. So that's over on the Fibroid Food Finder. So it's at Fibroid Food Finder if you want more information. And if you want to join us tomorrow, there's going to be replays and it's all free. So just join and access the information for free. And if you sign up, you get access to all of that for free, because I do monthly challenges, because I just think we should all be intentional. We should all raise our awareness with how we can improve our womb health and overall health. Thanks for joining. Have a lovely Sunday evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.